You want more income, more freedom, more control over your future. But you're stuck wondering where to start. Maybe you've thought about Forex, but the stories you've heard are mixed. Scams, losses, charts that don't make sense. It's enough to make anyone hesitate. That's why we created GME Academy's 6-day Forex Trading Workshop, to strip away the confusion and show you how Forex really works, in a way that's simple, safe, and designed for Filipinos. Instead of throwing you straight into charts and numbers, we'll take you on a clear step-by-step journey across 6 sessions. We'll begin by answering the biggest question: what is Forex really? You'll see how ordinary people are already using it to create smarter income streams. Next, we'll get hands-on. You'll learn to navigate the MetaTrader 4 platform, how to place trades, read charts, and set up your own trading space with confidence. Then, we'll dive deeper. Over 2 sessions, we'll uncover the secrets behind technical analysis, patterns, indicators, and strategies that show you where real opportunities are hiding. But trading isn't just about charts. It's about the world we live in. So, we'll show you how global events, news, and interest rates move currencies every single day, and how you can use that knowledge to your advantage. And finally, we'll give you the most important lesson of all: how to protect your money. You'll learn risk management strategies that help you trade smarter, avoid costly mistakes, and build for the long term. This is for you if you want to start without feeling overwhelmed, and if you're asking, is Forex real, or can I actually earn from this? Experience our live webinars and face-to-face workshops. Learn directly from our expert Forex educators. Get real-time answers to your questions and receive full recordings so you can review anytime. We've already helped thousands of Filipinos start their Forex journey the right way. No hype, no gimmicks, just real practical learning that works. Don't spend another year just thinking about it. Learn the skill, protect your money, and see what's possible when you have the right guidance. Register now for GME's 6-day Forex workshop. And together, let's trade with passion, earn with purpose, and remember that every trade and every trader matters.